What's up, course heroes? Welcome to yet another video. This is your boy Amit, and today we are going to look at confettipage.com. I'm going to review that, show you how it works. Super easy to use, super fun to use, and I'm going to also link to a couple of bonuses I'm going to throw in there if you want to check out Confetti Page. There is a coupon code in the description that's going to get you $24 off their lifetime deal. Let's get started with Confetti Page. What this product is, essentially, you can add confetti to any different page, and as many pages as you want. You can change their colors. There's different types of styles you can pick from, and you can change the density. Again, like my favorite thing to do is just keep scrolling down to see if I can catch all the confetti before I reach the bottom of the page. I want to show you a few styles that are my favorites and also show you how I was able to install this on my Zeller school. The pricing is super dirt cheap at the cost of what you're getting. So you can either get it for $40 that gets you 5 codes, so 5 different domains that you can use this on, or if you wanted to use it on 50 different domains, you can get the lifetime deal for $100. Because Iran is my buddy, he wanted to hook us up, so there's a $24 discount code. Just use my name in the coupon code section. So when you click on this buy button, confetti button, click the buy button, and then down here, you will see that the discount code option, just put in my name and boom, you're good to go. Let me show you how this works. I've installed this in my Zeller school. And again, the use cases are unlimited. I see this essentially at a thank you page, potentially even on your course access page. When students log in, they see this fun confetti and it sets the mood, right? And gets them excited about what they're about to learn. So you get a piece of JavaScript code, super easy to install. Here I'm already logged in, and these are all the different confettis I have created. So if I hit the play button, it shows me all the different styles of confetti that I can choose from. And then all I need to do is get the installation code, copy this code. One thing to note here, let's say you are on this install page, you got distracted. You're like, oh, I copied this code, but I'm not sure what's the style of this animation. You can just hit this play button and that'll show you what style animation that was. This one is fireworks. Let's hop over to our Zeller school. So I'm in my Zeller school, and when I refresh this page, you will see that the confetti shows up. So this one is called the shower confetti because I'm on the shower page. But let's say you want to check out the fireworks confetti. Click on the fireworks one. That's going to take you to a different page where I've installed the fireworks code. Then you can check out the sprinkle confetti. That will also take you to a different page. So you can keep checking these out. Even check it out on confettipage.com. I think it's a super cool, fun product for your student experience just on the thank you page. Whatever you're selling, digital products, physical products, on that order thank you page, add this fun confetti. It doesn't impact the page speed at all. And Iran has some great support articles. So if we go back here and down, you will see there's instructions for all these different platforms. And if your platform isn't listed, you can literally just copy paste this, but it's super, super easy to install. I'm in the page editor. All you need to do is click on this drop down, go to tracking code and embed that code right here. So just simply copy paste the code from your Confetti page site. And if we go back to our Confetti page, this is the code that we had received. All I have to do is hit copy, go back to my Zeller school and paste it. Now, let me show you how easy it is to create these confettis. So I can go create a brand new confetti, put in your school URL, choose confetti style. Here you can pick your colors. I think you can add up to 6 colors, but you can even do less than that if you want. So if I want only, say, 2 colors, I can do just 2 of my brand colors. So I change this one to black and yellow. I can also click surprise me, and that automatically adds different colors for you to choose from. Once you have picked your colors, you can go in here to choose your animation. And then this is where the magic happens. You can choose different styles you want. So this one is called rain. And then you can choose how long do you want that rainfall to happen. Then I have fireworks. This one is one of my favorites. So thank you, Iran, for this one. Pop lets you throw a pop of confetti on the screen and you can choose the direction. You can choose up to 3 of these squares. So these 3 at the bottom I can choose, or I can mix and match. I can say I want middle, center, and bottom, or top, bottom, and middle. So you can take your pick. And then spray has 5 different kinds. So you have your shower spray, just spray. And my favorite in here is the fountains. So I like this fountains. And then again, once you have done your style, you've done your colors, you can just go ahead and finally choose the density, which is how thick or thin do you want these confettis to be. So if I go all the way down here, you can see the confetti is not too dense. And then if I go all the way to the right, it's pretty thick and dense. And then same thing with the size. You can play with the size and the density. So what's the size of the confetti? So if I do small, you can see it's pretty small here. And once you're happy with your selections, simply click on publish. Then you can get your code. One thing to note here before you even purchase this is you can simply plug in your website URL to see how it's going to look on your website. So it pulls up your website and then you can choose a different style and it will in real time show you what your website looks like. So here I can just put this on Zenler's main site. It's going to fetch the newzenler.com main site. And then I can just test it out before you even purchase it to see what this looks like on your site. Let me know if you have any questions for me. Shoot me a reply via email. I'll reply to you right away. The coupon code is only valid till Monday because Iran is not really doing coupons, but because him and I have built a relationship, he wanted to honor that relationship. So thank you, Iran, if you're watching this. So if you're on the fence on it, definitely check it out. Do your research, but don't sit on it too long because the coupon expires Monday, August 14th, 2023. That's a $24 off coupon. Check it out. Let me know if you have any questions. And there you have it, Course Heroes. That's how you can make your website fun and make your visitors love your website. So check out Confetti Page. Links down below in the description. And until next time, keep creating.